Howdy, folks! Dr. Phil here, ready to guide you through the fascinating world of psychology. It's a field that delves into the very essence of what makes you, you. We're talking about your thoughts, your feelings, your dreams, your fears, and everything in between. Psychology is, at its core, the study of the mind and behavior. It's like holding up a mirror to ourselves, trying to understand why we think the way we do, why we act the way we do, and what makes us tick. It's a journey of self-discovery, and trust me, it's a wild ride. So buckle up and get ready to explore the inner workings of your own mind. I promise you, this is one class you won't want to sleep through. We're about to unlock the mysteries of you. Think of your brain as a complex machine. Psychology aims to understand how all the parts work together. Let's dive in. Now you might be wondering, what exactly do we mean by mind and behavior? Well, think of it this way. Your mind is like the control center, the command post, where all your thoughts, feelings, and memories hang out. It's the internal world that shapes your perceptions and experiences. Behavior, on the other hand, it is the outward expression of all that internal jazz. It's the way you act, react, and interact with the world around you. It's everything from the way you talk and walk to the choices you make and the relationships you form. Psychology is all about understanding the intricate connection between these two realms. It's about figuring out how our thoughts and feelings influence our actions and how our experiences shape our inner world. It's a two-way street, folks, and it's what makes us human. Every day we make choices. Psychology helps us understand why we choose one path over another. Now, one of the biggest debates in psychology is the whole nature versus nurture thing. Are we born with certain personality traits and predispositions, or are we shaped by our environment and experiences? The truth is, it's not an either-or situation. It's a delicate dance between the two. Our genes lay the foundation, providing the blueprint for who we can become. But it's our environment, our upbringing, our culture, our relationships that molds and shapes us into the unique individuals we are. Think of it like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients, genes, but the oven temperature, the baking time, and even the pan you use, environment, will all affect the final outcome. It's the interplay of all these factors that makes each of us one of a kind. Our genes and our environment work together to shape us. It's a partnership. Inside your head, thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Let's take a peek inside that amazing brain of yours. When we talk about mental processes, we're talking about all the cool stuff your brain does, like thinking, remembering, learning, and solving problems. Your brain is constantly processing information from the world around you, making sense of it all and figuring out how to respond. It's like having a supercomputer between your ears, constantly working behind the scenes. And then there are your experiences, those subjective personal moments that color your world. Every experience, from the mundane to the extraordinary, leaves its mark on your mind, shaping your perceptions, beliefs, and values. Our thoughts, feelings, and experiences make us unique. Psychology helps us understand this inner world. The action button, understanding human behavior. Now let's talk about behavior, the way we act and react to the world around us. Think of behavior as the action button that gets pushed when our thoughts, feelings, and motivations collide. Everything we do, from the simplest gestures to the most complex actions, is a form of behavior. And psychology is all about understanding the why behind the what. Why do we do the things we do? What motivates us? What drives our actions? By studying behavior, psychologists can gain insights into the underlying factors that influence our choices, our habits, and our interactions with others. It's like piecing together a puzzle, looking for patterns and connections that can help us make sense of the human experience. Our behaviors tell a story. Psychology helps us decipher the meaning behind our actions and interactions.